B, I love that it has this square neck. Oh my gosh. Like, do you see that? The perfect neckline.
Let's fly away, just you and me. I need a little break from the city. It's been so long since we've been gone.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to 86 Ambrosia. It's your girl Jen, that's with one J and two N's, and this is my YouTube channel. If you are new here and this is your first time ever clicking on a thumbnail by your girl Jen, welcome and thank you so very much for catching this Walmart try-on haul as I'm sharing with you guys just some amazing pieces that I picked up just very recently from my local Walmart and from offline. It is officially spring, sis, and I have been dropping Walmart try-on hauls. I mean, I have just been making it rain here on YouTube with all of the super cute pieces that I am finding and picking up. So for this first dress that I have on here, guys, oh my gosh, let me throw the hair back over the shoulder for this one because I have purchased a lot of dresses out of Walmart, but I don't think I have had one that makes me feel quite like I feel in this gorgeous white one that I got, of course, out of Walmart by the brand No Boundaries. Now, typically I stay away from No Boundaries because those clothes sometimes can be thin. They're made for the juniors, so I don't always get like the adult-ish sort of vibe that I would want out of that particular section or from that line of clothing, let me say that. But baby, when I tell you, ooh, mercy me, this white dress is so sexy. This white dress is so adult. This white dress is so well made, and I am just very much in love with it. Do you hear what I'm saying? Now, if you've been rocking out with me and you've caught a few of my other try-on hauls, like the one I did last week with Target, I had a gorgeous white dress on from Target. The week before that, I had on a bodysuit that was double lined. It came out of Amazon with some white leggings from Walmart. And then the week before that, I had on a gorgeous button-up white dress coming out of Walmart. I don't know what it is about white. I don't know what it is about this season, but for whatever reason, I am really strongly gravitating towards the color white. And I think it may be because I have all of these new exciting things going on, and white just represents renewal. It represents like turnover, a clean slate, a fresh start, and I am here for all of that. I put it on with my gorgeous, super comfortable snakeskin sandals that I did get out of DSW. For the bag, I just grabbed my super cute red YSL Matcha Lace chain bag, but I left the chain on the inside so that I could wear it as a clutch, and I am just giving the people the tea. So when I tell you this look right here, sis, is a vibe. Oh my gosh, it came together in reality the way that it did in my mind when I picked up this piece out of Walmart. So I'll go ahead and say that these red pants that I have on, these belted red pants, did not come from Walmart. They came from Zara. But you know, I'm always telling you guys that I'm trying to maximize my wardrobe, and I love to be able to mix and match my pieces together to get a lot of looks out of the pieces that I invest in. So these pants from Zara, I got them in red, black, and I also got a purple pair. But when I saw this top in Walmart with these red rosettes, I just knew I had the perfect pair of pants to pair this look together to give me a good old 70s vibe. Ooh, this is giving me like WandaVision if you watch Disney Plus. Like if you've seen the show WandaVision, or I'm trying to think like I Dream of Jeannie. I don't know, like one of those 70s, 80s shows where you had the housewife and she wore like crop tops, but you couldn't see her skin because she had on like some really pretty high-waisted like pants with a nice little belt. And that's what I'm getting from this look. I feel so cute. I feel so dainty. I feel so girly. I feel so feminine. I just feel like all the things that you would desire to feel when you put on clothes, right? And then to pair this little look, I once again grabbed my red YSL chain bag. This time I'm using the chain. I have on my really cute little barely there kitten heel sandals that I got from Shein. I've had these sandals for maybe about 2 years now. And as you can see, I'm still able to walk tall because these sandals were well made. And I just feel like the price is right. Whether I'm going out with the girls, I'm going to run errands, I'm going out on a little brunch, a little date, a little something. I am just like so super cute in this look. And if I thought that I loved that white dress that I had on first, this look is definitely putting me in my feels. Ooh. So for this next look, I was able to pair together two things that I love a whole lot, which is denim and color blocking. So this little top that I have on, I want to say this is by the brand Scoop, coming out of Walmart, but of course it will be linked down in the description box. It's this really gorgeous little chambray top, so it's like a faux jean, and of course it's color blocked, and I'm really excited about that. A lot of times, you know, when you are a little bit more bustier, you get like this pulling sensation between the buttons when you're wearing button-up tops. I don't get that at all. Now, the way that I styled this top, I grabbed my favorite jeans. If you've been rocking out with me for quite some time, then you know these wide leg jeans I got out of Express are probably my favorite pair of jeans of all the jeans that I own. I have just a few pair here in my wardrobe system, but in my other closets, I also have like lots of pairs of jeans. As a matter of fact, as I'm going through and I'm purging my wardrobe, getting ready for spring and summer, and also as I'm purging my wardrobe because, you know, making some lifestyle changes here, I am actually gutting a lot of my jeans. I'm gutting a lot of my jeans. As I have gotten older, I have found that certain jeans work for me in my shape, in my style, in my comfort, a lot more than other types of jeans do. At one point, I was just buying jeans just because I loved them, but now I'm really looking at the cut, the feel, the inseam, just all of that when it comes to investing in a good pair of quality jeans. So that's the way that I paired this Walmart top. I have on my barely there sandals that I got from Shein. And just to add a pop of color against this jean, I grabbed my purple Brandon Blackwood Kendrick tote that I absolutely adore. And I think that this look is so super cute in the way that it came together. We can wear jeans at work on Mondays and Fridays. So sis, when I tell you this is Monday morning, right? Stepping in there sharp. My philosophy is just because I dress down in jeans does not mean that I'm going to lose the effort that I put into styling those jeans just by throwing it on with a sneaker and a t-shirt. Now, there's absolutely nothing wrong with that because I will do that if that's what the occasion calls for. But it's a Monday. I want to start my week off right. I want to be sharp. I want to be about my business. So doing this little chambray on jean with a little heel, with a little bag, stepping in, good morning. I am ready to start my week off right. So just like with white, you can never really go wrong with wearing black, especially if it's black that's well made. This skirt here is like a cotton skirt. It's super cute because I like that it has a lining underneath, but you can see through to my legs once you get past the lining. I like that it's very flowy. It feels really good on. Now with it, and it doesn't come together, you have to purchase them separately, but you have the option to style it with this really cute little crop top set. And that is where I made the mistake. Okay, so I did not read correctly when I ordered this offline that this is actually a two-piece set that comes together. You get the little crop top and you also get the cardigan that comes with it. Because I did not know that, I ordered the top in a size large, the cardigan, so that I could wear other pieces underneath it and it not pull, you know, not get that pulling sensation. But in doing so, this crop top that I have on is actually too big. If I just kind of untuck it so that you can see it, it's not even a crop, you know, on me because it's so big. It's kind of like just fitting me like a top. I left the tags on so that I could actually just exchange the top and get a smaller top. So I am really feeling the concept behind this entire look. It's definitely giving me what I wanted to give. I could just take the cardigan, put it back over my shoulder, button it up, untuck this little crop top that I, created, and wear this to work and be very, very business casual. Or I could leave the cardigan off my shoulder like I have it, have on my little crop top, my little skirt, a nice little pump here, and baby, I can be in the streets having a grandiose time. So perfect crop top. Let's just start by me saying the perfect crop top. So here is the second crop top that I have on coming out of Walmart. I want to say that this one is by the brand Scoop as well. But remember, I only grabbed this one because I did not realize that that cardigan was a two-piece set, that it came with its crop top like together as a one piece, You get what I'm saying. But anyway, my point is I'm so glad that I actually picked this one up because this crop top makes for the perfect black crop top for me. This checks off every single box of having a top with my breasts being the size they are. I don't have a flat stomach, but I'm comfortable with my skin. I'm comfortable in my body. So like this top just does everything for me. Now I did get this one in a size large, and I'm glad I did because this one, like I said, is like a different type of material, but I still have on a full bra. So check. I can wear a full bra with this. I don't have to wear a strapless bra, so that is perfect. B, I love that it has this square neck. Oh my gosh. Like, do you see that? The perfect neckline. For me and my chest size, there are certain necklines on tops that are just a lot more appealing than others. Round neck tops do not suit me as well as a square neck top, baby. And wow, this is cut just perfectly. And then of course it's a crop top, but it is a longer crop, so it's not like stopping like right underneath my breast. It stops perfectly, so it gives me a little peekaboo piece of skin. I have it on with these really cute little high-waisted mom jeans that I featured last week in my Target haul. So these came out of Target, and I just love this look so much. But this also just shows how much my style has grown and how I can find these very budget-friendly yet well-made pieces out of stores such as Walmart and pair them so well because I know what looks good on me. It's no longer about just buying clothes because they look good. It's about buying the right clothes that look good on me. And I really love this crop top. So guys, that actually does bring us to the end of this try on haul from Walmart. If you have been rocking out with me and you've been catching them, thank you so very much, sis. I just appreciate the love as we are growing and as we have this vision for our highest selves and we're showing up as the woman that we so desire to be. I do have this really gorgeous color block number here. I have the perfect shoes to pair this dress with, but there is one more piece that I ordered to wear this so that I could wear her to work. She hasn't come yet, so I'm going to save her for my next try on haul. But I do want to let you know that I do have some more pieces that I'm going to be sharing with you, so make sure that if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, sis. Go ahead and hit the like button if you enjoyed rocking out with your girl Jen. And also, I never ever say this, but make sure you have your notification bell turned on so that you don't miss any uploads when I post. We want to make sure that we're staying connected as we are on this journey of just growing together. So guys, I thank you for catching this Walmart spring haul for spring 2023. And until I catch you in my next vlog or in my next video, I will see you in my next vlog or video. Bye guys.